great. The team played great. The matches were a little tougher than normal due to the environmental conditions of the wind. But you know, we came out on top. That's all we can hope for.
We usually play at Tennis Jamaica, and that's like all the schools come together and have a big tournament, school tournament. But now it's more of like a touring tournament where each school would go to another school and play, and it's a good experience. I'm glad I got to experience it before I left.
I came out here with a game plan to win and represent my school well. I did so, and I believe I can improve on my serve and a couple more rally points, but it was a really good match.
We are thankful for the invitation from Georges to come down and play, to absolutely open their facilities, which has been in disarray for a while, and we had a lovely day. The match was quite close. We didn't really run away, and they have a lovely team coming up, and we wish them all the best going forward, and hopefully they can come to Wolmer's and play us at another time. You know, we just coming off a win with Campion, and they were a real powerhouse team. We didn't really bring our top team down here to Georges. You know, we wanted to have the tie competitive, but we are coming along quite nicely. The high school tournament is around the corner at the end of June, and we're hoping that we will do our best and retain the title. I take a picture right here. Lovely.
Yes, we were winners overall when it comes to having tennis at St. George's College for the first time in 20 odd years, because the courts were refurbished just about 2 or 3 years ago. Wolmer's had a bit of us today, 4-2, but of course our 6 farmers already, only one will be leaving, so they can train for the next tournaments, the next academic year. So we congratulate Wolmer's, and of course we'll be coming for them next time.